Hi, Young Wanderers! I'm Ate Lenny, and I'm here to share with you my learnings and experiences throughout my journey as a team lead and as a coordinator. Let's go! Isa sa mga bagay na minahal ko sa production is the word deadline. Huh? Deadline? Deadline is my favorite subject. These are the cons of not having deadlines on yourself and sa team mo. Okay? Number 1, focus in productivity. Pag walang deadline, hindi ka focus. Diba? You will do everything. Everything na gusto mong gawin, everything na kung anong pumasok. Pag may nakita kang friend mo na nagkape sa labas, nakita mo sa social media, diba? Hindi mo nilang gagawin yung project mo. Kasi wala kang deadline eh. Once they invited you, then you will go without thinking na meron ka pang need gawin, need tapusin. Your day will not be productive kapag wala kang deadline kasi wala kang natapos eh. Number 2, discipline. Pag wala kang deadline, di ka magiging disiplinado. For example, ganito. You want to be fit and you want to have muscle. Diba? Ang deadline mo dapat this year or this year before 2025 ends or 2026 ends, dapat meron ka ng muscle. Pero dahil wala kang deadline, you will not be disciplined to do it. Right? So, gagawin mo lang kung anong gusto mong gawin, kung anong maisipan mong gawin. Siguro, bukas na lang ako mag-jogging, bukas na lang ako mag-gym, bukas na lang ako siguro. Ang bukas, di naman natatapos. Right? So, that's one of the benefit of deadline. You will be disciplined, and that's the cons of not having deadlines. Gets? So, number 3, time management. Okay, time management is not just applied sa team. Okay, it also applied sa'yo, sa atin. Okay, sabi nga sa Milo, diba? Everything starts in small beginning. Mapagkatiwalaan sa maliit, mapagkakatiwalaan sa malaki. If we are really serious in managing our team or our company or the organization we are in, then mag-i-start siya sa atin. So, we need to manage our time before we manage people around us. We need to manage ourselves before others. Kaya next time na may deadline ka, embrace mo siya. Don't see it as a pressure. See it as a purpose. Gets? Again, this is Ate Lenny. Work smarter, not harder. Bye-bye.